Stop stretching your shoulders. I know, it sounds crazy, but if you've been stretching every day and your shoulder pain isn't getting better, or maybe it's even getting worse, you need to hear this. The problem isn't tightness. It's something completely different, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do instead. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Comeback Performance, and we've helped thousands of people get rid of nagging pain and get back to doing what they love without shoulder pain. Most people assume that if their shoulder feels stiff or painful, it must be tight, so they stretch it. But what if I told you that your shoulder might not actually be tight? It could be weak and unstable instead. Think about it like this. Your body tightens muscles as a protective mechanism when something isn't stable. Stretching only pulls on already stressed tissues, which can actually make things worse. So if stretching hasn't been working, let's talk about what's really causing your shoulder pain and what you should do instead. Your shoulder is the most mobile joint in your body, but that also makes it one of the least stable. The problem isn't usually that the shoulder's too tight, it's that the muscles supporting it aren't doing their job. When your rotator cuff and shoulder blade muscles aren't firing properly, your body compensates by tightening up other areas to protect it. That's why stretching doesn't fix the root problem. If anything, it just makes your shoulder feel temporarily looser, but the pain keeps coming back. Instead of stretching, we need to activate and strengthen the muscles that are supposed to support your shoulder. Here are 4 exercises that will actually help. First up, we have banded uppercuts to strengthen for shoulder stability. You're going to either get into a half kneel or stand tall with a resistance band. From there, you're going to hold the band with both hands, keeping your palms up, making sure that your elbows are by your sides. Next, you're going to pull the band in external rotation, activating the back of your shoulders. Then you're going to drive your hands upward in a punching motion, keeping your elbows close to your body and holding that tension with the band. Slowly lower back down and repeat the motion. Complete 2 sets of 8 of this exercise. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. Next up, we have a banded subscap punch to activate the subscapularis muscle and improve control. This muscle is often weak in those that have pain in the front of the shoulder. For this exercise, you're going to attach a resistance band to a sturdy object or rig. Then you're going to stand sideways to the band with the inside arm holding it. Next, you're going to move your hand upward in a punching motion, keeping your elbows slightly bent. The goal is to get your bicep to your ear with this motion. Slowly return to the start, completing 3 sets of 10 of this exercise. The next exercise is going to be building on shoulder stability, but now we're also going to be adding in core stabilization and control with this exercise called bear shoulder taps. To start, you're going to get into a bear crawl position with your knees slightly off the ground. Hands are going to be underneath your shoulders and knees are going to be underneath your hips. From there, you're going to slowly lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder, keeping your core engaged. Make sure to not rock and compensate with the movement and moving slow and controlled with it. Alternate sides with this exercise for 2 sets of 8 reps on each side. The 4th and final exercise is a med ball ABC to build endurance and control of the rotator cuff. For this exercise, you're going to hold a light medicine ball against a wall with one hand. From there, you're going to extend your arm and you're going to trace the letters of the alphabet against the wall. Try to complete the full alphabet without stopping. This is a rotator cuff burner. If you need to split this up into certain letters, that's totally fine. You want to repeat 2 to 3 times per side and burn out that shoulder. So if stretching hasn't been fixing your shoulder pain, stop doing it. Instead, focus on strengthening the muscles that stabilize your shoulder and you'll start seeing real progress. If you're tired of dealing with this shoulder pain and you've tried things such as physical therapy, chiropractors, massage therapy, injections, or even surgery, and you're not seeing the long-term results that you're hoping for, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.